The stator is in, so is the reading eye down here. There is a little tricky part to putting this in. The way they've got it done, which is it's a very good method. I had a problem figuring it out when I first took it apart because there was so much dust in here due to, 28,000 miles is a long time. But the wiring only goes in one way behind the stator, about right here, and then it goes down into a channel all the way down to here. And as you can see, the black wiring right here, it goes through a small channel, and then there's a clip. Well, it's not really a clip, it's a piece of casting that these two wires go behind. And usually a stator only has one wire bundle leaving the stator area. This has two because this stator is used as a starter and as a power generator. Power generator, in the word of, it's not actually a generator, but it does develop power. So we have to route the wiring through this slot first thing, and then behind the clip, and then it comes up here, and this breaks into two pieces. You have an inner piece, that this rubber piece, see, it keeps the water out right there. That's your generator part. Then it has a auxiliary piece right here, rubber that goes like that, and that is the starter part. After you get the eye in, and the eye has to go on first because this clip right here goes on the very last thing. You put one bolt in here, you put the eye on, and then the bolt, and then you put the clip on, and then you put the bolt on. And what this clip does is it holds your eye wire away from your moving flywheel, and it also holds all the rest of these wires away from the flywheel and heat and everything else. It's a really nice deal, but it kind of confused me at first because it was very hard to get these wires out from behind this clip or piece of casting, and I thought maybe there was a bolt or something that went there, and there's not. But it's a really good design because the wire barely goes behind there. So now that that's on, we tighten these hex nuts down to 9 pounds, or I don't know how many metric kilograms, liters per pound, I have no idea. These you just get tight, and the next thing we'll do is put on the flywheel and then the fan.